a former Brisbane financial planner who admitted to more than 20 fraud charges relating to the misuse of almost $10 million in clients' self-managed superannuation funds, has been jailed for his disgraceful conduct. The public gallery was packed as former Sherwin financial planner's principal Bradley Thomas Sherwin was sentenced to 10 years for 24 fraud counts, to be eligible for parole after he has served 4. He was also ordered to serve a 12-month concurrent term for breaching his duties as a company director. The crowd of spectators clapped as Sherwin was led into custody by corrective services officers. It came after Judge Julie Dick heard emotional impact statements from 3 former clients, with one describing the 62-year-old's offending as absolutely disgraceful. The court heard $9,825,445 from clients' self-managed super funds were fraudulently used, with some transferred in a way to make them appear as legitimate investments in Sherwin-related businesses. Other funds were occasionally used to make payments to the Australian Tax Office on behalf of Sherwin's businesses. More than $7.8 million remained unrecovered after the father of 3's offending, which Crown Prosecutor Laura Lee Manville characterised as calculated and self-interested. She said while Sherwin did personally benefit from the fraudulently accessed money, it did go to maintaining a false appearance of success for his business empire. Former client Beverly Holiday spoke from the witness box to emotionally condemn him for taking every single cent of her retirement funds, telling the court, "He treated me like a fool." Her voice wavered as she described the financial impact of Sherwin helping himself to her retirement nest egg, and said simple acts like taking her grandchild to the movies was hindered by the cost of his offending. "I am beyond mortified that I am a financial burden on the state and my family," she said. Fellow victim Nigel Jefferace emotionally recalled his ashen white son breaking the news of Sherwin's downfall to him at a meeting at the airport. "It's absolutely disgraceful," the final former client to read his victim impact statement said. Defense barrister Mul Harrison said Sherwin accepted his behavior had taken a ruinous and devastating toll on his former clients. But there were incredulous guffaws from the public gallery when he said the father of 3 had lost his wealth since his professional downfall. Wickham Securities collapsed in December 2012, owing more than $27 million to about 300 debenture holders. Sherwin Financial Planners and other companies of which Sherwin was a director collapsed in January 2013, owing more than $30 million to clients of Sherwin Financial Planners. The Australian Securities and Investments Commission permanently banned Sherwin from providing financial services in May 2016. AAP